Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement Firebase push notification in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create a new file. Let's say home screen dot file, and here let's create stateless widget and let's send the class name to home screen. Okay, let's return here scaffold, and let's give the app bar. Okay, give the title to the app bar. Let's give the text. Send this to home. Okay, now open up the main.dart file and let's delete this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Let's return here material app. Okay, give the home, that home screen we have just created, and save it. We'll get this blank white screen. Now let's remove that banner from the screen. This banner, make it false. Debug show check mode banner. Okay, now open up the browser and go to the firebase.google.com and click on this go to the console button. Okay, now let's create a new Firebase project. Click on this create a Firebase project and let's write here push notif. I'm gonna say push notif. Okay, I'm gonna disable this Gemini and also this one, Google Analytics. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, now you have to add the Firebase projects to the Flutter app. So I made the video about it how to add Firebase to our Flutter app. You can check the link which is in the description of this video. Also, you can see this official documentation to learn how to add Firebase to the Flutter app. Okay, the link is in the description too. Check it out. I'm not going to do that in this video. So let's run this command flutterfire config. It will fetch the Firebase projects. Okay, we have created this push notif. Select it, and I'm going to select it for Android only. Okay, now new file has been created, Firebase option, and this Firebase core file is missing. Now let's add that file to that package. Run this command flutter pop add Firebase core. Okay, now if you open up the pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now if you reload this console, then as you can see, this Android app has been added to the Firebase project. Now go to the pop.deb and search for Firebase messaging and click on it. You will get this package over here which has like 1.86 million downloads for now. Click on it. Click on the installing tab and copy this command or copy this and add to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the project directory in the terminal of the VS Code. Okay, now stop the app and run the app again. Okay, you will get this error. So we have to set the minimum SDK version to at least 23. So open up the Android folder and this app folder and this build.gradle.kts file and roll down. Inside this debug config, let's set this minimum SDK to 23. Okay, and let's run this app again. Okay, now open up the browser and go to this link. It's in the description, and let's copy this. And open up the main.dart file, and here let's paste it, make it async. Let's import the Firebase core and Firebase option package. This is to initialize the Firebase. Okay, perfect. Now in the lib folder, let's create a new file. Let's say notif service.dart file. Okay, now let's create new class. Let's say notif service class. Okay, now let's get the instance of the Firebase messaging. Okay, now let's create the function. Let's say init notif. Okay, now we have to request user permission for notification. This is important, especially for the iOS. From here, you can make the all or true false sound true false. I'm gonna set it to default. Okay, you can also log out the authorization status. Okay, now retrieve the device token, which is used for the sending push notification. Let's say final token equals to wait messaging dot get the token, and you can also log out the or print the token. If token not equals to null, then just log out the token. This token is used for the sending notification. Okay, now stop the app and open up the main.dart file, and let's initialize this Firebase notification over here. Let's get the notification service and get the this function. Okay, save it and run the app again. Okay, now click on allow and now open up the browser and go to the console and roll down. Click on this cloud messaging. Now click on this create your first campaign to create the campaign and choose this Firebase notification messages and click on create. Now let's give the title. Hello from Flutter App. Let's say Firebase. Hello. Okay, now as you can see, this token has been printed. Yeah, this is printing the token. Now copy this and click on this send text messages and add here FCM token here and click on this plus button and click on this test button. Okay, we have to minimize the app. Let's minimize the app and now let's try to click on this send text message and select this and click on this test button and we got the notification from the Firebase. Here you go. Well, from Firebase, click on it and it will open the home screen. Okay, now let's create the function to handle the received messages and navigate accordingly. So over here, let's create the function void handle message. Let's pass the remote message. Give the null check here. It might be null. If message equals to null, then we return. Okay, now get the data from the message. Now extract the title and message from that data. Final title. If it's empty, title. If it's empty, we'll get the we show the no title. Give the null check here. Okay, similarly, let's copy it and paste it here. Give here, let's write here message text and change this to message. Change this to body. Let's send this to no message. Okay, and let's log out this title and message over here. Okay, now inside the lib folder, let's create a new file. Uh, let's say detail page dot file, and here let's create stateless widget and let's send the class name to detail page, and let's return here scaffold. Give the app bar. Let's give the title. Let's show the text for now. Okay, now let's open up the main.dart file and give the route here inside the metal app. Let's name the route as detail page for the detail page.dart file. Return here detail page. Okay, now let's give the navigator key, global navigator key. Give the navigator state here. Okay, let's copy this and define it here. So that we can use it. We give here navigator key now. Give the comma. Okay, now open up the notif service.dart file and here let's navigate to the detail page and pass title and message as arguments. Type navigator key, import this main.dart file and get the current state. Give the null check, who's named, and give the route. Okay, let's copy the route now. Copy it and paste it here. Also give the arguments. Let's give the title, this title, message, message text. Perfect. Now over here inside the init notification, write Firebase message dot on message dot listen handle message. Okay, this will listen for messages received while the app is in the foreground. Okay, now type here Firebase messaging dot on message open dot listen handle message. Okay, this listens for messages that on the app from background state. Okay, now check if the app was open for a terminated state via notification tab. Final. initial message equals to await messaging dot get the initial message. If initial message not equals to null, widgets binding dot instance dot add post frame callback. It will make sure UI is already before handling the message. Okay, now open up the detail page.dart file and now here let's define the final arcs model route dot of context dot settings. You can also here get the arguments as map string command dynamic. Keep the null check here. Okay, now let's define the final title from this arcs. We get the title. If it's empty, so no title. You can all check here. Let's copy this and paste it here. Let's keep the message. Change it to message and here let's show the message. Put the message and change this to no message. Okay, now let's in the title, let's show the title and in the body, let's put the comma here in the center. Let's show here message. Okay, now let's minimize the app and let's try to send the text message again and now let's click on it. Click on this message and we are not moving to the detail page. Let's stop the app and run the app again. Okay, now let's select this token and let's try to send the message again. and we got the message. We got the notification. Now let's click on this notification and we move to the detail page. It's perfect. Okay, on screen also it's working. You can see we're in the home screen. Now if we send the notification, then we'll move to the this screen automatically. Okay, you can also change this notification icon. So to change it, just go to this link, this package link, and click on this readme tab and click on this documentation link, this one, and click on this Android tab here and this one, set up an Android client, and copy this line to change the notification icon. To change the color, you can just put this. Okay, now open up the Android folder and app folder, src folder, and main folder, and this one, and over here paste it. Okay, paste it like this, and for this notification icon, drawable. Open this res folder, and here is the drawable folder. Okay, now I have this icon and this one, Firebase icon. I'm gonna drag it over here to the drawable folder. Okay, let's drag this one and also this one. Okay, and let's put here that icon name. Let's say this file name is hello. So put like this and open up the terminal and run this command. Flutter clean, and run this command flutter pop get. Okay, now let's run the app again. We'll stop the app first and run the app again. Okay, let's try to send the notification. Send the notification again. And we got the notification. And here we go. This icon has been changed. This is how you can change the push notification icon. I mean notification icon. Okay. So This is how you can set up push notification in Flutter and Firebase. Okay, you can target the app. You can schedule the app from here. I mean, schedule the notification from here. Okay, on which time are you going to show the notification? And click on this review and publish. And this is how you can create the first campaign. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.